launch day, 7:45 p.m. I'm debugging pipelines because the backup app works, and now I have to get it building properly, put it on the hardware, and then I'm gonna launch. I'm gonna bring it to somebody who can use this in the real world. Done writing the image. Let's do some testing. All right, it'll have to be good enough. I'm gonna put it in this weird cellophane bag and use the heat gun to try to seal it and make it all professional. Somewhere, I've seen a better job. Somewhere, it's hard to tell. It's such a good job that I'd have to think about it. Time to hand deliver this thing. Let's see what happens.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now, you gotta be smarter than the box. Getting started guide, come on. And the HexBox. USB cable, Ethernet, power plug. Okay.
Oh, it worked. Git is not installed. All right, there you go. You can get back to the instructions.
So this worked now.
Quick debrief. Yes, it failed. Yes, we'll try again next week. I thought it was a lot of fun. And yeah, I think we can repeat this process until there's no more red pencil on that paper. And then I'll find someone else to try this with. And then we'll be good. But you know, SpaceX has rapid unscheduled disassemblies or whatever they have. I think this was similar. Rapid unscheduled crash. And I think it got way further than I thought it would. And I'm really excited to keep developing this. I can't believe that the Avahi worked, where we were able to just pull the browser right up, plug it in, pull up the browser, you have a user interface. Like, that's huge. All the other stuff, easy to fix because it's all on that box. Fully controlled environment. The big piece that I was worried about was getting that UI up on a computer with no special software installed. But it worked. My mind is blown. I learned a ton, and I'm excited to keep going. If you're enjoying this journey, go to tryhexbox.com, sign up for the waitlist, and heck, maybe I'll work with you directly just how I am right now. I don't know how long I can or will need to do this, but really enjoying the launch. It went into the real world. So we'll call that a wrap. We'll call that a launch. 3/31/2026, as planned, we launched the HexBox. Somebody else used it. We put it in a home and it crashed. It burned, but we're gonna fix it. So thanks for watching. See you next time.